Want to create a professional and eye-catching table of content for your PowerPoint presentation? In just few simple steps, you can design a stunning card-style layout that will wow your audience. Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to create a modern card-style table of content page that will elevate your presentation. Let's face it, most table of content pages are boring. They are just a list of text that does not engage your audience. But what if you could turn this basic slide into something visually stunning? That's exactly what we are going to do today. Let's start by right-clicking on the slide and selecting Format Background. Choose Picture or Texture field and insert a background image. Next, add a text box and type your title. Center it, change the font, make it bold and increase the font size. Then go to Shape Format and align center and align middle. Now, duplicate the slide and move the text box to the right side. Increase the transparency of the text to 100%. Then, insert a rectangle shape. Remove its outline and use Slide Background field to blend it seamlessly. Add an outer shadow to the rectangle for a sleek effect. Now, place a text box on the left. Insert a number and style it with a bold font. Increase the font size, then align middle. Go to text option and add reflection effect and increase transparency. Add a rectangle shape and drag it at middle. Shape outline, make it no outline. And click on slide background fill. Add another text box and insert your appropriate subtitle here. Select all. Go to Shape Format, Align Center and Align Middle. Then group them. Duplicate this design for multiple sections. Select all elements and distribute horizontally. Updating the numbers and text as needed. Here is the magic. Select each section one by one and make it bring to front. Select all elements and distribute horizontally. Now go to Transition tab, select Morph. How your table of content comes to life with smooth, professional animation and increase the duration. After that, copy them and paste them onto the first slide. Everything to the center and shift it to the left. And there you have it, a stunning card-style table of content page that's sure to impress your audience. It's simple, modern and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to stay updated and let us know in the comment what design you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.